Welcome back. Pretty sharp rise in the Dow Jones and Nasdaq yesterday, up more than 400 points on Dow Jones, and nearing a all-time high is the Dow. S&P 500 and Nasdaq have already hit all-time highs. Question is the outlook on the Nifty and the Sensex and other Asian indices if you trade in them. I still believe that the morning session will be a little weak, although the SGX Nifty is indicating a gain of more than 30 points and all, I know, but I still hold my view. In fact, I would not be surprised to see a sudden and a sharp jolt in the first 1 hour. This is only my perception. Also do your own analysis. Besides, don't forget the fact that this is an options expiration day. I do not encourage, particularly today, I do not encourage to go and make fresh positions. So follow my videos very carefully. If you have existing positions, try to wrap them up much before 3 o'clock. This is my general feeling. The volatility that we may see today in sharp up and down moves that I predicted for yesterday will not be there today. It will not be as sharp as yesterday. So at the same time, I do not rule out a fall in the first 1 hour. And even otherwise, the sentiment broadly should be not very positive or even negative till about 11:45 or quarter to 12, as you may call it. Things may get a little better thereafter, more positive. Yet, some jolts, some falls in the market can be expected around 12:15 and also at 2:50. Particularly be careful around 2:50, because if that happens, then that is nearing the options expiration time, and there is always the 3 o'clock factor where a lot of big operators and all they come and take their position. So be cautious for these two. But other than that, I still feel that the afternoon session will be much better than the morning session. Morning session will have good amount of weakness inherent because of various factors, which are that's what my analysis says. You can always do your own analysis as well. Couple of questions that people have asked me. They have asked me to forecast tomorrow so they can make fresh positions for the next week, which is okay. I will do that as well. And before I conclude, this is again to the best of my knowledge and belief. You must also do your own analysis before you invest your hard-earned money. Secondly, always remember in life, and I've said it over many days, that whatever you do, your actions, people ask me that, sir, give us a formula how you can predict how we do that. My first formula to everybody is that don't try to cheat anybody. Don't try to harm anybody in your words, thought, or action. If you do that, sooner or later it's going to come on you. And in the Jain culture, Jain religion, they have a period of fasting called the Paryushan. Now, after that period gets over, people call others to say Michami Dukkaram, which means that please forgive me for any wrong that I have done in life. If you respect me, today you do one thing. Anybody you have hurt in your life, a good soul hurt in any thoughts, word and action, pick up the phone. Don't WhatsApp. WhatsApp has become a very informal method of communication. People are not looking into each other's eyes and talking. This is not the right way of communication. It is okay. We do it for a business, for people have queries urgently you want to answer. If you have ever hurt anybody, call that person and apologize. The Michami Dukkaram, which is there inherent in the Jain religion, should not be one day feature. They do it on one day, but I respect them immensely for this, at least this act, that they have the courage to forget everything and ask forgiveness. If you hurt anybody in thoughts, word, or action, definitely call that person if you have any respect for me and do apologize. You will find within yourself great peace. Your abilities to invest will become much better. You'll become a better human being. More than mathematics and calculations, you need to be a better human being to invest. When the soul is peaceful, and you become at peace only after firstly leading a life where you don't hurt or cause damage, secondly apologizing if you have ever done so. This is the biggest mantra and biggest success factor of investing. People who are wicked and try to cheat others or try to hurt, they never get peace. All their investments, sooner or later, they go into a big disaster. Achieve peace of mind. It's the biggest mantra I can give you today is, if you have hurt anybody in thoughts, in word or action, please call that person and apologize. Seek forgiveness. You'll gain immense peace, and this will multiply your abilities to invest. Not only for that reason, even otherwise, it's not good to have bad karma. Don't carry it on your shoulders. Life is short. Lead a truthful life. Fellow men, fellow countrymen, you should understand that. It's the worst that what we inherited, the uncertainty and all that these British people left behind. Request you, don't cheat your countrymen. Be good to them. Thoughts, word and action. If you have done, call today and ask forgiveness. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.